Hello. Hello, hello. I think he's done with me. I honestly every time I open the door, he tries to run away. So I think he's done. So hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we have a huge winter haul. I think it's like a big winter haul. I'm not sure. So I bought a few things when I was traveling, and also I bought a few things here in my city. So I'm going to show you what stuff did I buy. And it's all almost black and white, and I have one red thing to show you. So yeah, I'm that person. Yeah, so let's get started with the video. I'm just going to unleash my hand from my cat, who is done with me, by the way. Yay! Before I start with the clothes, I'm going to show you what I got from AliExpress. I didn't buy from them that much in recent times because it took them so long to ship things. But now it's like, to my country, I live in Bosnia, so it's like maybe 14 days max, so that's acceptable. I'm getting out of breath because I'm lazy and I don't train, like I can't make myself. So first thing that I got are these glasses. Like, how cool do they look? I'm obsessed with them, and I like this detail here, and they were like, I think $2 or something. I'm going to include the prices on the side. So yeah, they look so cool. Maybe I should do the haul with them. So the first thing that I got is this H&M skirt. So whoever knows me knows I don't almost never wear like dresses and skirts. I don't know why, I just feel restricted. Is that, yeah. So anyways, I'm breaking out of my comfort zone, not with colors obviously, but with clothing. So I bought this beautiful, like, I'm not sure how this material is called, but it's beautiful. If you know what the name of the material is, write it down in the comments. So the next thing that I got is also like, it's an accessory, by the way, but it's also out of my comfort zone because regarding the hats, I mostly wear like, how do you say, I think it's like a sports cap, or I wear just a regular like cap for the winter. Oh my god, I'm going to choke myself. So I bought this. Is this a beret? What the heck is this? Yeah. Oh my gosh, I need Botox. My eyebrows are in my eyes. Okay, so I bought this. I think this cover. Let me get closer. I scared my cat. So it might be too small for my head, but what do you think? Is this a thing for me? I'm not sure how it's supposed to look, but yeah. Yeah. I'm going crazy in the house, by the way. I never go out because I work from home, and I'm going to go crazy. So this is my new sweater from Zara, and it's really like this light material. It's like a blouse. I don't know what it's called, and it's not that see-through, so I'm not sure, you can see like this, but anyway, it's super light. It's like baggy but not too long, and I love it, and I just love stripes and how they look on me. So yeah, also all of the prices and stuff will be down in the description, so you can check it out if you like any of these things, so you can buy it for yourself. Wow, another stripy shirt. Wow, I'm like so edgy. And this one is from H&M as well. No, this one was from Zara. This one is H&M. And it's all, I bought this in autumn, so I'm not sure if this counts like as like a winter haul, but it can go underneath a blazer or something, so it would look nice. So this is a shirt from H&M. I think you all saw it already. It has like this heart-shaped neckline, and I absolutely love it. And the one thing that I really love, it has these like triangle sleeves, so I'm super fan of that. And also I'm going to include clips of me wearing all of these things so you can see how it looks on me. And if you're wondering about the size, everything is in size M or European 38. So that is that. So annoying. And this is Oh yeah, by the way, the shirt was did I say H&M? And the dress is Bershka. And it has this slit on the back, and I'm going to of course try it on because this looks like a Amish dress. Yeah, so the sleeves are also cut out, and it has a slit on the bottom, and it's also heart shaped. And yeah, so surprise, surprise, next thing is white, and it's this bodysuit from H&M. I think you all saw it. And the one thing that I really like about all of these bodysuits is that they're so soft. And when you're not up for wearing it like this with the V-neck, if it's too like risky but you still like the bodysuit, then you can wear it like this. I mostly wear it like this, so the back is now open and it looks really nice. So yeah, that's a way to wear it. So H&M. These pants are from Stradivarius, and they are the skinny, like leather imitation or leather-like pants. They are obviously not leather, and they're not super high waist because they have another one that are super high waist. So I don't want that because then when I'm bloated, I look like I'm about to birth a baby. So these are like high-waisted but not too much, so it still is like creates like a nice looking middle part area. Yeah. Oh my God. And leather pants. Wow, this is like a creative haul. So these are wide at the ends, and I wanted to have a variety of these pants. Like one are wider and the other one are like skinny pants. Oh my God, we have color. Mama, at least my Christmas tree is colorful. Yeah, and I painted that in the back, so I do have some life in me. So okay, so this was probably the most expensive thing out of this. Am I out of focus? I'm moving too much. Yeah, so this is probably the most expensive thing, but it wasn't that expensive. So I went to Berlin in September, twice actually, because yeah, I have no self-control and no savings by now. So I bought this Tommy jacket. It's excuse my pajamas. So I bought this jacket, and I know it's like a basic jacket, whatever, but I really like it. Yeah, so that was for today's haul. Thank you so much for watching, whoever watched this video. I'm speaking like I have 1 million subscribers, but I love all of my like 60 people. Thank you so much. And that was for today's video. Thank you. And like I said, everything will be in the description. If you stumbled upon this video, thank you so much. I would highly appreciate if you subscribed and liked the video if you liked it at all, so I can have some motivation to film more videos. But I'm going to film anyway because I like talking to myself and the camera in an empty room. So thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.